in the capital of the state, Chandigarh, and the adjacent districts of Panchkula and Mohali, there was heavy hail. The hail reached 3 centimeters in diameter. The hail was formed due to low temperatures and the impact of an active western disturbance. Cold rain flushed most parts of Punjab and Haryana. Some areas were without electricity. Orange is the second highest of the 4-color warning system used by the IMD. Some areas were flooded. After a dry January, the unexpected weather continued into February. The hail caused distress for the local population. More than 100 agricultural lands were damaged due to the hailstones. And hills of the hailstones formed on the sidewalks and roads.